Okay, everybody, welcome back. Badger's getting in the truck. Guess no commentary from him this morning. But underneath this tarp is a copious amount of aluminum siding and gutter. Might be 300 pounds, I don't know. And we got a little bit of extruded aluminum in the back, dirty sheet, one ACR, and some extruded aluminum. So we're gonna go run this down and cash it in. I was gonna say something else. Something about the load. Oh, this all came from one guy. Badger's buddy has a roll-off dumpster business, and I guess somebody tore a mobile home apart. So anyway, we're on the way. Let's see what we get. All right, so this is the second time trying this because I left the camera and fast forward. Clean aluminum radiator, 7 pounds for $7.91. Sheet aluminum, which is dirty aluminum, 35 pounds for $11. MLC aluminum, 120 pounds for $54. A little bit of wire, and then the aluminum siding was 410 pounds for $176. Grand total of $257. Badger, your thoughts for the second time?
It sucks. God damn it, man. That damn aluminum, I thought we had a little more than that. God damn it. I don't know if it was worth the trip, but then again, you know what? A half a loaf is better than a whole. So we can't complain, but I can say this though. If you see a bunch of aluminum, throw it in the damn woods. It ain't worth fucking with. It ain't. God damn it, they screwing you, man. No, they're not. I was just kidding. I was just kidding, y'all. No, it's good. It's all good. It's just, you know, I don't know. It sucks.
It sucks. It does suck.
It sucks. Because the gas and fuel we burnt, goddamn. Oh, but it's all good. At least we made something, you know?
Yeah.
But it gets better because if Bobcat didn't have to go suck shit today, we would have some damn money today. But that's okay. Tomorrow coming. Yeah. Tomorrow is coming, and we will show y'all then tomorrow what it looks like, what it's supposed to be like. Right.
See you then. All right, so the first scrap pickup ended good. Back of the truck full of aluminum, wire, whatnot. Got a transmission, a motor over there, some sheet steel, a couple aluminum doors, push mower, a little bit of junk. Badger,
huh?
Let's see this hammer time.
Oh yeah, hammer time. MC.
Do 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 do.
Can't touch this. Hello. You ready?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Not towards me.
Oh, let me go this way.
Bye, Al. There you go.
Now, you got the goddamn badger here.
Oh, towards me. Go ahead, you're good.
Cut it out.
Why don't you break that little lip off on the back side there? Then it ought to be light enough.
Brass for the ass.
Yeah, well, we get that. There's a piece on the bottom too.
Yeah, I seen it. Okay. Okay then.
That thing's tough.
No. Ain't shit to this.
Oh, you're just not giving it?
That bitch broke.
Okay. Okay, that's enough of that.
It's tough.
All right, got a small garbage load from the stuff we picked up today. A little bit of tin, whatnot, oil furnace, and a refrigerator full of muffler parts and stuff. A little bit of junk in the back. Push mower, some more tin. Might be 2000, 2300 maybe. We got the got a sink, MLC aluminum, which is like top grade aluminum, what my yard calls it. Good bucket of stainless, dirty cast, aluminum boat, doors and ladders accordingly, and a little bit of number one. That tubby broke up, transmission, some weights, axles. So let's run this. Yeah, wire.
For the ass.
Yeah, brass for the ass. Very little bit of number two, a little bit of number one. Good amount of brass so far. Wire. Yeah.
It adds up.
Badger, what's it weigh?
1700.
1700. Now it's more than that. Ton minimum, 2200.
Ton? 22?
Yeah. Yep.
That's good. Yeah, that'd be good if it is.
All right, well, we'll see. All right, so that was a nice load of heavy steel there. Had some boilers and car frames, motors, transmissions, blah, blah, blah. 5,360 pounds, 348 bucks. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Badger.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
And we got another one to go.
And we got another one to go and might get a 10 load in here today. We really trying to put a load in there today.
Yeah. Oh, gotta go. Lunchtime.